everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Seaweeds. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious green salsa that is also known as fake avocado salsa. Perfect for any taco, any dish, super delicious. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients that we are going to use to make our green salsa, also known as a fake guacamole salsa. We are going to use 1 small onion, 3 jalapenos, 4 serranos, 1 cup of olive oil or any oil that you use, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 spoon of chicken bouillon. If you want it more spicy, add more serranos. If you want it less spicy, just use jalapenos and then don't use that many of them. Okay, let's start. Okay, I removed the stem from the peppers and cut the onion in 4 pieces. Now we're gonna start with the next step that is to start frying all the ingredients but the chicken bouillon. Okay, I added the oil to my pan and I'm gonna let it get hot, not super hot, just in medium heat. And make sure you dry everything, all the peppers, so the oil doesn't splash when you put them in the pan. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the oil to warm a little bit and then I'm gonna start adding all my ingredients. Okay, the oil is hot, not super hot, and I'm gonna start adding all the ingredients. I'm gonna add the onion, the jalapenos, the serranos, the garlic, and I'm gonna keep adding all of them. Okay, I added all the ingredients and my oil was already hot. I have it in medium heat and it doesn't matter if the onion starts falling apart. We're gonna start flipping them so they cook evenly. The onion too, and the peppers and the garlic. So we're just gonna flip them so they cook evenly. We don't want them burn, we just want them fry, cook. So don't let them burn. Okay, they've been here for 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna turn off the fire, the heat, and I'm gonna let it sit to cool down before we start blending the salsa. Okay, I let everything cool down for 5 minutes, so it's not too hot when I put it in the blender. Now we're just gonna add everything to the blender and start blending everything together. I added all the ingredients. The last thing I'm gonna add is the chicken bouillon. I added all the oil and everything in here too. Remember that we have to blend it until it's completely smooth. I think it needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Okay guys, the salsa is ready. This is exactly the texture that you want. And now let's just put it in a bowl. Look how delicious. Okay guys, the salsa is ready. Look how creamy and delicious it looks. It's just perfect. And our delicious green salsa, it's ready. Also known as the fake avocado salsa that the taco shops and taco stands use for their tacos. Look how delicious and creamy. No avocado in this salsa. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Seaweeds. Activate the bell. Please leave me a comment in the videos and enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.